Hi, first grade families. This is Mrs. Rohr, and I'm going to show you how to get started in Schoology. Now, I've logged into my teacher account, so it might look a little different from your student account, but it's basically the same. The first thing you're going to want to do is make sure you've clicked on the course dashboard. This will bring up the different classes you have in the school day. I'm going to go ahead and click on the one that says Good Morning. This is the homeroom class. When you click on it, you will see a banner at the top that says the name of the class. You will also see 5 buttons with the days of the week. Each of these buttons will bring you to the work that is needed to be done for that day. So if I click on Tuesday, you will see there are 2 folders, Tuesday's lesson and Tuesday's task. Tuesday's lesson folder might have a recorded video for you to watch, and Tuesday's task will have all the work that needs to be completed for Tuesday. Right now, the folders are empty. To go back, you can use the back arrow. The other thing I wanted to show you to help get you started is how to get to Zoom through Schoology. So you can see right here that there is a button, and this will bring you to a Zoom meeting. You can push on it, and you will want to click on Open Zoom, and it will launch a new app. And you will see that it says waiting for hosts to start the meeting. I hope you found this video helpful.